One of the challenges our customers face is they deal with the invisible. So one of the things we try to do is make the invisible visible. The thermal imager fits right in with that. So the idea of blending the thermal image with the visible light is being able to help the customer really easily visualize their problems. If you can see it, you can fix it. That's how we made the TI-32. Much like the thermal imager, if you can see it, you can fix it. But seeing it is different in terms of vibration. You can hear it, you know things are vibrating, you can hear them rumble. A lot of times people get a screwdriver, stick the screwdriver there and put that to their ear so they can hear it. So the idea behind the 810 vibration analyzer is to greatly simplify interpreting all of this data. You just simply need to see the problem and get it fixed. We've made that much, much quicker than it used to be. My name is Paul Hadron. I'm the Director of Technology for Fluke Corporation.